Hello makeup freaks, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I achieve my eyebrows in less than 5 minutes. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to start off with my soap, which I'm going to be using on my brows. This is from Neutrogena. And I'm going to be wetting it a little with my Covergirl Outlast Active Setting Spray. Then I'm going to grab my brush with the spoolie. This one's from Anastasia. And we're just gonna pick up some of the soap and apply it to the brows. This is gonna help keep your hairs in place before putting on the product. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna go with our Ardell. This is a Stroke a Brow. And this is in color dark brown. So it's like a felt pen, so you can brush it on. So I'm going to do strokes like hair going up in the front of my brow. Fill in any area that's kind of naked. And now I'm going to come in with my Maybelline Total Temptation. And this one is also in dark brown. And with this one, I'm not gonna do the whole brow. I'm just gonna go from the middle of the brow to the end of the brow to give it more definition. And with the opposite side, use the spoolie it comes with to brush it in. After this process is done, I'm going to come in with my E.L.F Concealer, and this is in color Fair. I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hill angle brush and grab some of the concealer and clean up my eyebrows. So I always start off at the bottom piece.
And then you brush down your concealer.
Then use your finger to slightly blend in the concealer into your skin. I like a sharp brow, so I'm going to conceal the top. So I'm going to go back into my E.L.F concealer and pick up more product. And now clean up the top.
And brush up the hair. And use your finger again to blend it into the skin.
Now I'm going to come in with my E.L.F cosmetic, and this is the HD highlight powder, and this is in Starlight Glow. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to go in with my brush for my brow bone. And this brush is from BH Cosmetics. And we're just going to highlight the brow bone. Now use your finger to blend it in together. Now let's do the next brow. And that's how I accomplish my brows in 5 minutes. If you like this video, go ahead and press the like. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them below. If you want a more in-depth video on how to do your eyebrows from beginning arch peak to end, let me know below. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss any videos. And I will see you guys on Wednesday.